Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you transfer Coinbase to Cash App. In order to transfer Coinbase to Cash App, you'll have to follow these steps. So for that, first of all, you need to sell your crypto on Coinbase. So first of all, you want to log in and go ahead and click on the sell button. When you do it, then you have to select the desired payment method, the direct deposit or bank transfer, enter the exact amount of crypto that you want to sell and confirm the transaction as well. As you've done it, then you want to transfer the funds to your Cash App account. So once the sale is completed, you'll have a local currency balance in your Coinbase account. Transfer the funds from your Coinbase to your Cash App account. This can be done through a bank account or a linked bank account or other supported method depending on the locations and the Cash App's option as well. If you want to deposit Bitcoin directly into your Cash App, you could do this by selecting deposit or deposit Bitcoin and choosing your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. This can send the Bitcoin from a Coinbase wallet, the Cash App address as well, to Cash App address. This is how you could transfer Coinbase to Cash App. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.